In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images into clickable links on WordPress. Whether you're setting up a blog, an online shop, or just want to enhance your website's interactivity, making images clickable can significantly improve user engagement. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we'll begin by navigating to wordpress.com. If you're not already there, open your web browser and type in the URL. Once the page is loaded, look for the login button. This button is typically found at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. When you're brought to the login page, you'll see several ways to log in. Choose the option to continue with Google, as it's often an easier way to access your WordPress account without needing to remember another password. After clicking, select the Google account associated with your WordPress and proceed. With your WordPress dashboard now open, you'll want to head over to the editing section of your website. Locate the top left corner of the dashboard where you'll see an Add button. Click on this and prepare to make your image interactive. The next thing you'll do is click on the Highlight option. This option is perfect for adding new elements or modifying the existing ones on your web pages. Now in the provided search bar, simply type the word image. This will bring up a list of image related options. Select the image option from the list to begin adding your visual content. Now you have a choice. You can either upload an image from your computer directly or select an image via a link. Choose the method you are most comfortable with. If you decide to upload, ensure your image file is easily accessible on your device. After successfully uploading your image, you'll notice a ribbon of options at the top of your editor. One of those options will be the link button. Click on it. This step is crucial as it allows you to enter the URL you want the image to link to. Simply paste or type the page link you wish to associate with the image in the provided field. Ensure the link is correct, as this will dictate where users are directed when interacting with your clickable image. And there you have it, an image that doubles as a hyperlink, effectively drawing visitors deeper into your content with a simple click. This feature not only adds aesthetic value but also functional depth to your site. It's an excellent technique to have up your sleeve for creating a more immersive and clickable user experience. So go ahead, implement these steps, and watch the magic come to life on your WordPress site.